In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Emergency Contact and tap on the one that you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finished, hit Done at the bottom. As you can see, all of mine were successfully added. If you want to delete some or all of them, just click on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Delete, tap on the chosen one and tap on Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!